Hello, dear students. Hope you all are good. So, today we will discuss Unit 5th, that is check, bills of exchange, and promissory notes, endorsement, and crossing. Here is the overview which we will discuss. Check, bills of exchange, promissory notes, endorsement, crossing. Check. What is check? As per Section 6 of Negotiable Instruments Act 1881, a check is a bill of exchange drawn on a specified banker and not expressed to be payable otherwise than on demand, and it includes the electronic image of a truncated check and a check in the electronic form. Here, a truncated check means a check which is truncated during the course of a clearing cycle, either by the clearing house or by the bank, whether paying or receiving payment immediately on generation of an electronic image for transmission, substituting the further physical movement of the check in writing. And here a check in the electronic form means a check drawn in electronic form by using any computer resource and signed in a secure system with digital signature and a symmetric crypto system or with electronic signature as the case may be. Promissory notes. What is promissory note? As per Section 4 of Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, a promissory note is an instrument in writing, not being a bank note or a currency note, containing an unconditional undertaking signed by the maker to pay a certain sum of money only to or to the order of a certain person or to the bearer of the instrument. Here are some illustrations. First is I promise to pay B or order rupees 500. B. I acknowledge myself to be indebted to B in rupees 1000 to be paid on demand for value received. Mr. B. I owe you rupees 1000. I promise to pay B rupees 500 and all other sums which shall be due to him. E. I promise to pay B rupees 500 first, deducting thereout any money which he may owe me. The instruments respectively marked A and B are promissory notes, and the instruments respectively marked C, D, E are not promissory notes. Bills of exchange. As per Section 5 of Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, a bills of exchange is an instrument in writing containing an unconditional order signed by the maker directing a certain person to pay a certain sum of money only to or to the order of a certain person or to the bearer of the instrument. A promise or order to pay is not conditional within the meaning of this section and section 4 by reason of the time for payment of the amount or any installment thereof being expressed to be on the lapse of a certain period after the occurrence of a specified event, which according to the ordinary expectation of mankind is certain to happen, although the time of its happening may be uncertain. Endorsement. Endorsement means the signature of maker, drawer, or a holder of a negotiable instrument, either with or without any writing, for the purpose of negotiation. The endorsement is done by the payee or endorsee, as the case may be, by signing on the instrument, customarily on its back, and where the space is insufficient, on a slip of paper annexed thereto called allonge. Kinds of endorsement: black endorsement, special or full endorsement, conditional endorsement, restrictive endorsement, partial endorsement. Crossing. When an instrument bears across its face two parallel transverse lines or an addition of the name of a banker, either with or without the words and company, account payee, etc. The significance of crossing is that the payment of the instrument can only be made through a banker. When it is crossed instrument, it gives direction to the paying banker to pay the money to a banker Thus, the holder of such an instrument must deposit the same into his or same other person's bank account for collection. An instrument is crossed in order to provide a safeguard against theft or fraud. Crossing are mainly two types. These are general crossing, special crossing. Thank you, students.